What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. To get today's video started out, we have something pretty exciting planned with the Blue Evo, including Bobby. So Bobby hasn't ridden the 8 yet. She doesn't know that it's like fast. I think she might have an idea since last night I gave her the gap. But we need to get gas. Where's your water?
What?
Where's your water?
I don't want to bring it.
We're going on a walk, you know?
I didn't realize you're on the camera. I'm not that weird, I swear.
What? My gas light's on.
Is this like faster? Is that what's going on? Is that why we're in the car?
It's not faster. It's, you said last night it's slow and I couldn't beat your little stock STI.
Alright, I'm prepared for it to feel pretty fast. Let's go.
Also, I tried to put my boost gauge in there yesterday and I had ridden the boost gauge. Because I don't know how to do anything.
That sucks.
Hey, there's still no oil on the ground. How'd that feel?
Wow. That was crazy.
Oh, dude.
I hope you expose yourself. She just really wants to eat.
Yes. She got the heel?
I want us to listen to the turbo.
We can.
Well, you rolled up my window.
What?
You rolled up my window.
Just a skosh.
Faster.
That's all she's got. That's it. That's all she wrote, brother.
Why are you smiling like it's not?
Well, there may be a little more in it.
Let's see it.
That was about peak boost. But
Let's see what you got.
I can't. There's cars all over the place.
Run right through them.
What do you think? Faster than your car?
Slow as shit.
Hello, STI friend.
It looks like a WRX.
Maybe it was a clone.
It was.
Boost loading.
Wow. This is sick.
I know. Keep in mind, it's not done yet. We gotta push it a little further. We're on 26 pounds. We gotta go to like 30 something, I'm
What
sure.
are you talking about?
PSI boosters.
Is that a lot?
My Evo 10's on 26.5 on pump gas.
And this is on 26?
Currently, yeah.
And why are we like hammering down?
Bobby, if I hammer down, that car will be in my face.
That's a lie.
Was it a lie?
Hee.
Was it a lie?
Can we go a little bit more?
Well, yeah, we go by all the cars. You can do your video of this car if you want. I'm just doing my boyfriend's 800 horsepower Evo.
I'm not ready to do it until I really get a feel for what it feels.
Okay.
So I need to drive it.
No, you drive it on video.
Because, babe, everybody yells at me for not like hammering down. And it's only because I'm not used to like the car usually.
What?
This isn't Eva Junior.
What?
This isn't Eva Junior.
How did it feel?
This is freaking fast.
Faster than FRS? So you really think you could have beat me last night?
It wasn't like this last night.
Yeah, it was.
Nuh-uh. Why didn't you hammer down on it at all?
I did. You're a scared little girl. That's not a good road. Oh my god. What?
This road is terrible.
Who the fuck paved this
Baby,
thing?
I would turn around. This road gets way worse.
Jesus fuck. Oh my god. This car's not even low.
No, like I scraped all the
big ass SUV, they're ditching the goddamn holes. Who paved this shit?
Honey, obviously they haven't for a while. Be careful.
There's like scrape marks and holes all over this. Oh, what the fuck? Did Coda pave this? What the fuck, dude?
Babe, have you never been down this road?
Well, I didn't know it was this bad.
It's really bad.
Well, I see that now. Kilo 370.
That is cute. I like that.
Look at that, that's a badass bike.
It's a lime bike. He's hauling ass.
It's not a line bike.
Yeah, it is.
Should we race him?
No. He needs a helmet on though.
Why'd you yell? I think she really enjoyed that.
It's fast.
Faster than the Evo 10 on pump gas?
Yeah.
You think so?
I don't know.
It's hard to say.
It is. It's just like they feel so much different. This one feels light.
I think this is faster because it's way lighter.
Yeah.
Even, and especially like when we're done tubing it, it's gonna be quite a bit faster.
So this turbo spools like
It's the
up
same.
top.
It's the same exact turbo as the 10. It's a fairly similar setup. The 10 has a way bigger fuel system for an 85, but this car on the 85 would be stupid. Like I've already lost traction in third gear. Like you hit a little bump and she just, I mean their tires aren't breaking.
Kind of like on that last road. Interessante. I prefer my SDI to feel like this.
First gear is a little bit useless.
Why were you getting a little squirrely?
Well, she's decided to get squirrely. You want to try?
No, I'm fine. I don't want to drive today. Why is the clutch so hard? Thanks.
It's not hard.
It's like this. It like blings you back.
Aw, you right.
I get nervous when we drive stuff for the first time. If you can't tell.
Feel free to bring her all the way out to 8K.
No, I'm not.
Well, you got to bring her up a little bit, or else you ain't gonna make no sauce.
Well, if this car pulls right, then there's no way I can make sauce.
Yeah, you can. You just gotta give them a little space. And remember, 2 hands on the wheel.
Baby, I'm not giving her any sauce today.
You have to.
I don't want to.
That's so boring if you don't. What's the point of a fast car if you don't let her eat?
I'm not really too sure.
That's like having a hot girlfriend and not banging her. What it is.
We don't go there.
parking on grass?
No, we're not on the grass.
Yep.
I'm like sweating
Why?
because this car gives me anxiety.
I feel it. Today's project in the shop is gonna be fairly difficult, I would say. I've been putting this off because I haven't been wanting to do it. I don't think it's gonna be enjoyable, but most definitely is gonna be very, very challenging. We're gonna be attempting to wrap the bottom side of the hood, and I kinda already messed around with it a few months ago. So I should probably peel this off. So we had two main options to finish off this hood, being that the rest of the car is this color right here. This doesn't really match, especially with the black base. So it's either a black bottom side of the hood or a color matched to the wrap bottom side of the hood. So today we are going to be attempting to wrap the bottom side of this thing. I'm not sure if it's ever been done. I'm sure there's some people that have done it before, but I know for me it's going to be very difficult. There's a lot of little cutouts like that where the two layers meet each other. So that's going to be difficult. And then there's just like a lot of like curves and edges and detail in this thing. So I'm gonna do the best I can. I think we can get it. The plan is to wrap all up inside here first, trim nice right around it, and then do one sheet over the whole thing. Obviously we need to pull this piece off, the hood vent off. All of these guys are here. There's no need for those. I'm gonna pop all those out, and see what we can do. I hope it turns out good. I'm excited. It's gonna look sick if we can get it wrapped. If not, we're gonna have to paint it black. We got the entire hood stripped down. Everything's off of it. I've been debating whether or not I want to pull these stickers off, and I think I'm gonna leave them on. I'm gonna leave them on just in case we ever go back to the factory color. You're gonna see them a little bit underneath the wrap, but it's not gonna be all that big of a deal. So let's go ahead and try to start wrapping inside of all these pieces here. So there's 8 of those total inlays that we're gonna have to do. And then of course, it's not gonna be 100% perfect. Like obviously we can't wrap down inside of that hole right there, but this thing's gonna it'll look very, very nice all said and done, if we can nail it. That top section of the bumper that we were trying to do was very, very difficult. I think this is gonna be easier. This is still gonna be difficult though. So let's get to it. Let's get it cleaned up, wiped down with IPA, and start wrapping. Every single inlay that we got to do is now finished up. One giant sheet to cover the hood. Provided we don't mess up, we should be all finished up. It might be a little bit weird coming around the hood latch right here. Other than that, I don't really see anything else being all that difficult. All right, guys, this is how it turned out. I have no clue if it's gonna last or not. It turned out really good, but with all the heat from the engine,
who knows how long it'll actually last. I guess we'll see. Stay tuned to see what happens. We're not gonna put it on yet. Car's not at the shop, it's back at the house, and we don't have the hood struts yet. And we're constantly working on the engine right now. So whenever the hood struts come in from JD Customs, we'll get the hood installed with the hood struts and see how everything looks. But yeah, turned out good. Hopefully it doesn't start bubbling up and peeling off.